Welcome back to Wekeza Wealth Academy. Last episode, we talked about the 6 assets that build real wealth.
And today, we're going deeper into the first one on that list that most Wekeza members ask about, stocks. So let's start simple. What actually is a stock?
When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of ownership in a real company, not a loan, not a promise. Actual ownership.
So if you buy a share of a company like Apple or Coca-Cola, you now own a tiny piece of that business.
Exactly. And as that company grows, more customers, more profit, more value, your piece grows with it.
Now here's the question we get asked most. Can I actually do this from Kenya, from Ghana, from Zambia, Tanzania, Nigeria, from the United States? Yes. And that's exactly what Wekeza was built for.
Let's walk through it, step by step. Step 1, open your account. Download the Wekeza app and you'll go through a quick verification process. It's called KYC, or Know Your Customer. Then answer a series of required questions. It's a standard regulated step that every legitimate investing platform requires.
It confirms who you are, and it's what keeps your account and your money secure. Step 2, fund your account. And here's the part that surprises people most. You don't need thousands of dollars to start.
With Wekeza, you can begin investing in publicly traded stocks with as little as $10. And here's what makes that possible. Fractional shares. If a stock costs more than your $10, you don't need to buy a whole share. You can buy a fraction of it, a slice, and still own a real piece of that company.
Of course, if you'd rather own a whole share outright, you can do that too. Wekeza gives you both options. And from there, you get access to over 3,000 publicly traded stocks on the New York Stock Exchange for just $1 a month and $1 per trade.
$1 a month, $1 a trade. That's it. This isn't investing for the wealthy, it's investing for everyone.
Step 3, choose what to invest in. This is where stocks and ETFs come in. Remember, an ETF is a basket of many stocks in one investment, which is often a smart starting point for beginners. You don't need to be an expert stock picker. You just need to start.
Step 4. Track your portfolio. Right inside the app, you can watch your investment grow over time. See what you own and how it's performing. Now, a fair question. Is this actually safe?
Yes, because Wekeza doesn't do this alone. We partner with Choice Trade, a licensed U.S. broker-dealer. That means your investments are regulated and protected every step of the way. From the moment you fund your account to the moment you sell.
One more thing worth knowing before you start. No investment is guaranteed to go up every day.
That's true. Stock prices move, some days up, some days down. That's normal.
Which is exactly why the mindset from our next episode matters so much.
Because investing isn't about timing the market perfectly. It's about time in the market. Staying consistent.
Haba na haba, hujaza kibaba. Little by little fills the measuring cup.
So here's your first step. Download the Wekeza app, complete your verification, and make your very first investment. Whether it's $10 in a fractional share or building up to a whole one, that's the beginning of your investing journey.
In our next episode, we're going to talk about something even more important than the mechanics of investing, your money mindset.
From consumer to investor, and everything in between.
Subscribe so you don't miss it.
And download the Wekeza app from the App Store or Google Play. Your first investment is closer than you think.